your plants could grow up to 3 times faster. Without expensive fertilizers, complicated tools, or years of gardening experience. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Most people are unknowingly slowing their plants' growth every single day. And the worst part? They think they're doing everything right. You water your plants. You give them sunlight. Maybe you even talk to them. But somehow, they still look dull, slow, and lifeless. No new leaves. No vibrant growth. Just stuck. Now imagine this. Within just 7 days, you start seeing fresh shoots, brighter leaves, and faster growth than you've ever seen before. Your plant doesn't just survive, it thrives. And all it takes is one simple trick that most plant owners completely ignore. This isn't some complicated gardening hack or a secret used only by professionals. In fact, you probably already have everything you need at home right now. The difference is knowing how to use it the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to unlock explosive plant growth using a simple, natural method. No guesswork, no confusion. Just real results you can see. So before you give up on your plants, or worse, throw them away, watch this until the end. Because this one small change might completely transform the way your plants grow forever. Number 1, choose the right plant. Before we jump into the secret trick, there's something very important you need to understand. Not all plants grow at the same speed. If you're expecting instant results from a slow-growing plant, you might feel disappointed, even if you're doing everything correctly. That's why choosing the right plant is the first step to seeing fast, noticeable growth. Some indoor plants are naturally built for speed. For example, the pothos is one of the fastest-growing houseplants you can own. It produces long, trailing vines and fresh leaves quickly when given the right conditions. Then there's the snake plant, known for its toughness and ability to push out new shoots even in less than perfect environments. And if you prefer something compact, the jade plant responds very well to proper feeding and can grow thicker and fuller over time. But here's the key. Your plant must already be healthy. This trick is not magic. It won't fix a dying plant overnight. Instead, it enhances what's already working. So take a moment to check your plant. Are the leaves firm and green? Is the stem strong? If yes, perfect. You're ready for the next step. Choosing the right plant sets the foundation. It's like working out. You'll see faster results if your body is already in good condition. Once you've got the right plant, now it's time to unlock its full growth potential. The simple trick, all right. Here's the moment you've been waiting for, the simple trick that can dramatically speed up your plant's growth. It all comes down to one thing: nutrients. In nature, plants constantly receive nutrients from decomposing organic matter in the soil. But indoors, your plant is stuck in a pot. Over time, the soil loses its nutrients, and your plant basically runs out of fuel. That's where this simple nutrient boost comes in. Here's what you do. Create a gentle, natural feeding solution using either compost tea or diluted organic fertilizer. Mix about 1 tablespoon of organic compost or liquid fertilizer into 1 liter of water. Stir it well until the water turns slightly brown. This mixture becomes a powerful but safe nutrient drink for your plant. Why does this work so well? Because it delivers essential nutrients like nitrogen, which fuels leaf growth, phosphorus for root development, and potassium for overall health. Instead of struggling to survive, your plant now has everything it needs to grow faster and stronger. But here's the important part. Don't overdo it. More is not better. Too much fertilizer can actually burn the roots and slow growth instead of boosting it. This is why this trick works. It's simple, balanced, and natural. Once you start feeding your plant this way, you'll notice changes: faster leaf production, deeper color, and stronger stems. And the best part? It takes less than 2 minutes to prepare. Now let's talk about how to apply it correctly, because timing matters. Number 3, apply it the right way. Now that you have your nutrient mix ready, the next step is applying it correctly. And this is where many people make mistakes that completely cancel out the benefits. First, never apply the nutrient mix to dry soil. This is a big one. If the soil is dry, the roots can absorb too much at once, which can stress or even damage the plant. Instead, always water your plant lightly with plain water first. This prepares the roots and allows them to absorb nutrients more evenly. After that, slowly pour your nutrient mix into the soil. Don't flood the pot, just enough to moisten the soil evenly. The ideal schedule is once every 7 to 10 days. This gives your plant consistent nutrition without overwhelming it. Timing also matters more than people think. The best time to apply this mix is in the morning. Why? Because plants are most active during the day when they receive light. This is when they absorb nutrients and convert them into growth energy. If you apply it at night, the plant is less active and the nutrients may sit in the soil longer than needed. Consistency is the real secret here. One application won't create miracles overnight, but regular feeding will create noticeable results within days. Stick to this routine, and you'll start seeing stronger growth patterns, healthier leaves, and faster development. But nutrients alone aren't enough. Your plant also needs energy, and that comes from light. Number 4. Light optimization. You can give your plant the best nutrients in the world, but without proper light, it simply won't grow the way you want. Light is the plant's energy source. It powers photosynthesis, the process that turns nutrients and water into growth. Without enough light, your plant becomes slow, weak, and stretched out. So here's what you need to do. Place your plant in a spot where it gets bright, indirect sunlight. This is the sweet spot for most indoor plants. A location near a window, especially one that gets morning light, is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight for sensitive plants, as it can burn the leaves. But at the same time, don't hide your plant in a dark corner and expect it to thrive. A good rule of thumb: if you can comfortably read a book in that spot without turning on a light, your plant will likely be happy there too. If your home doesn't get enough natural light, consider using a grow light. Even a simple one can make a huge difference. Watch your plant closely. If it starts leaning toward the light or growing unevenly, rotate the pot every few days. This helps it grow straight and balanced. When you combine proper lighting with nutrient feeding, you're creating the perfect environment for rapid growth. Now let's take it one step further by helping your plant focus its energy where it matters most. Number 5. Pruning for faster growth. This step might seem small, but it can make a huge difference. Pruning. Most people are afraid to cut their plants. They think they're harming them. But in reality, strategic pruning actually encourages faster and healthier growth. Here's why. Plants have limited energy. When they have dead leaves, yellowing parts, or long, weak stems, they waste energy trying to maintain those areas. By removing them, you redirect that energy toward new, healthy growth. Start by inspecting your plant. Look for any leaves that are yellow, dry, or damaged. Gently remove them using clean scissors or your fingers. Next, check for leggy growth, long, thin stems with few leaves. Trim these back slightly. This encourages the plant to branch out and grow fuller instead of taller and weaker. For trailing plants, trimming the ends can stimulate new growth points, making the plant look bushier and more vibrant. Always make clean cuts and avoid over-pruning. You don't want to shock the plant by removing too much at once. Think of pruning like giving your plant a fresh start. It clears out the old and makes room for the new. When combined with proper nutrients and lighting, pruning helps your plant grow not just faster, but better. Now let's make sure your plant's foundation, the soil, is supporting all this growth. Number 6. Soil and drainage. If your plant's roots aren't happy, nothing else matters. You can give the best nutrients, perfect light, and proper care, but if the soil is poor, your plant will struggle. Good soil is more than just dirt. It needs to hold enough moisture for the roots while also draining excess water to prevent rot. If the soil stays too wet, roots can suffocate and rot. If it drains too quickly, the plant won't get enough water or nutrients. That's why a well-balanced, well-draining soil mix is essential. A good indoor mix usually contains potting soil combined with materials like perlite, sand, or cocoa coir. These create air pockets that allow roots to breathe. Also, Always make sure your pot has drainage holes. This is non-negotiable. Without drainage, water builds up at the bottom, leading to root damage. If your plant has been in the same soil for a long time, consider repotting it. Fresh soil means fresh nutrients and better growth conditions. When roots are healthy, everything above the soil improves. Faster growth, stronger stems, and greener leaves. Think of the soil as the foundation of a house. If it's weak, the whole structure suffers. Fix the soil, and you unlock your plant's true potential. Number 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you expect amazing results, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that can ruin everything. First, overwatering. This is the #1 killer of indoor plants. More water does not mean more growth. In fact, it often leads to root rot and slow development. Second, overfeeding. It's tempting to think that more nutrients will speed things up, but too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage your plant. Third, poor lighting. Even with perfect care, a plant in a dark space will struggle. Light is not optional, it's essential. Another mistake is inconsistency. Applying the nutrient mix once and expecting instant results won't work. Growth comes from consistent care over time. Also, ignoring early warning signs can slow progress. Yellow leaves, drooping stems, or slow growth are signals that something needs adjustment. The key is balance. Not too much water, not too much fertilizer, not too little light. When you avoid these mistakes, everything else becomes easier, and your plant responds quickly. Now you know the simple trick that can completely transform your plant's growth. And the best part is, it's easy, affordable, and something anyone can do at home. Just remember the formula. Choose a healthy plant, feed it with a gentle nutrient mix, apply it correctly, give it enough light, prune it when needed, and make sure the soil supports strong roots. When all these elements come together, the results are incredible. Faster growth, healthier leaves, stronger plants. But here's the most important part. Take action. Don't just watch this video and move on. Try this method for the next 7 days and observe the changes for yourself. Look for new leaves, stronger stems, and brighter color. And when you see those results, come back and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tips that actually work. Your plants have the potential to grow faster and healthier. You just needed the right method. Now you have it. See you in the next video.